I'm Colin Martin. It's time for another edition of This Weekend in Harris County. We're by a stream. Now guess where this water, or part of it anyway, goes. We're going to take a look in a minute, and we're going to talk about all the exciting things happening on Labor Day weekend, this weekend in Harris County. We'll be right back. Hey, we're back. We're here at the Liberty Bell Pool, a beautiful place in Harris County. We're with Amy Waite, who's a park ranger here at FDR State Park, and this is Marlon, the park ranger, and he's going to help us talk about what's happening this weekend in Harris County and this weekend at the pool. It's the last weekend of the pool being open, right?
This is our conclusion for the summer. The pool's open on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. And on Saturday, we have lots of activities and games and fun things going on for a family. So enjoy the summer and conclude it here at the park.
Now, how is this pool fed? I mean, do you know where the water comes from?
We do.
Well,
this is the largest spring-fed pool in the state of Georgia. It is rock-lined with native Hollis quartzite. And just to the right of the pool is a spring that also feeds all the water for the town of Pine Mountain.
Wow.
And so it holds 533,000 gallons, and the spring puts out 175,000 gallons a day. So it takes a few days to fill the pool, and it'll take a few days to drain the pool when it takes the water out.
Well, it is obviously a beautiful pool, as you can see. Historic. A lot of people have swum here over the years, so it's fantastic. So what else has happened this weekend at FDR State Park?
If you're game, there's sunrise yoga at 7:30 on Saturday morning. You meet next to the park, and park office at the Stone Amphitheater, another civilian conservation corps built structure. And besides the pool event, we'll go into events next weekend, which is the dog splash. So the pool is closed to humans next Saturday, but open to your canine friends.
Well, and the dog splash is going to be a lot of fun. So the dogs get to get in the pool, splash around, obviously.
We have activities and games and contests. We have veterinarians on here at the park. We have all sorts of behaviorists, so you can meet and greet with other people. And it's just a fun day to watch. We'll have a couple of hundred here.
Marlon, are you going to get in? Marlon's trying to get in now. So, look, this weekend in Harris County, come to FDR State Park, see this beautiful pool. Also, don't forget, we've got the Ballon Festival at Callaway Gardens this weekend. We've got Homegrown in Harris Market at Pine Mountain. There's lots to do in Harris County this weekend. We'll see you this week in Harris County. But let's take a look at some other events going on, and we'll be right back. Well, those look like some great events this weekend in Harris County. I'm about to jump in the stream. It is a constant 62 degrees in this water. Perfect for a hot Labor Day weekend. Hey, don't forget, come to the final weekend of FDR State Park Liberty Bell Pool being open. Come to the market days, the first Saturday market, Homegrown in Harris. The Ballon Festival. There's so much to do this weekend in Harris County that you can be a part of, and you'll see me soaking wet getting in this water. We'll see you this weekend in Harris County.